KCC105, week number 1, you guys made some basic graphics for me to represent a number. I used 1 million. Let's check them out. So, for instance, my example of when I was making my infographic, there's 3 things I thought about real carefully. Number 1 is I want to make sure that what number I'm representing is very clear. You know what I'm talking about, 1 million. Another thing is I want to be very clear about the linear growth. So each airplane, each bus, each class of Canada, that sort of thing. And the other thing I was very clear about is trying to make trying to connect the two, represent my big number with my linear model. So those are the 3 things that I went through, and as you see here is I'm taking the graphics from everybody in the class, and from those graphics, you are, in this week 2 discussion board, is you are going to reflect on those. You're going to say, wait a minute, there's those 3 things that I was thinking about. Are those apparent to me? Or maybe there's something that's really interesting to you, or like, wow, I never thought of representing it this way, or I see what you did here, and that sort of thing. So think about my 3 questions, reflect on what the students work, and when you're reflecting, think about this question, yes and. Don't just be saying, oh, I don't like this. Don't be negative. Don't push back against the efforts people made. Think about, yeah, I like that, and you can try this, or think about this, or connect it with this. Once the last time, the 3 things I'm thinking about is make sure you can say what number we're representing, what the description of the linear growth is clear, and make sure that the linear growth is able, you can see the representation of 1 million is this long, or this many airplanes, and that sort of thing. So as you're reflecting, think about those 3 things. Think about the student work that you find interesting. Think about ideas that you say, I like that, or hey, this and something else together. Put your reflections in the week 2 discussion board, and hopefully we can generate a discussion about a good way to represent numbers, because guess what? We'll be doing more of these graphics as we move forward. So week number 2 discussion board, check it out. You will see a slideshow of the student work, and any questions, you can please reach out to me. Thank you.